That line says everything about courtroom reality. This is a negotiation on your terms. Once the court orders a program, it's not optional. Refusing it doesn't delay consequences. It accelerates them.
This is not Burger King. People do not get to have it their way. I ordered DDRF and you don't want to go there.
She did not want to participate.
All right, so you can participate at the prison, but it's not. In 2023 CR 4230, State of Texas versus Darianne Renee De La Rosa. Are you Miss De La Rosa?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Darianne Renee De La Rosa who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2023 CR 4230 for the offense of robbery on July 17, 2023 for a term of 5 years? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
State?
Yes, Your Honor. Violating condition number 56 on or about the 30th day of January 2024 in Bear County, Texas, the defendant Darianne Renee De La Rosa, the then and there failed to comply with the rules and regulations or instructions of the Bear County Supervision and Corrections Department's duly diagnosed residential facility, and the defendant refuses to participate with the required program by the number 56.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of 56, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, sir.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition 56?
Yes.
Court will find it true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor.
Yes.
It is to keep the individual on her probation and defer to deny the motion and alter and amend the required her to attend safety.
Okay, why is she not going to DDRF? That's my question, because that's what I ordered.
The information that we received from.
And this is a critical mistake. Refusing a court order program. In the legal system, rehabilitation opportunities are chances, not suggestions. Turning them down sends a clear message to the judge.
DDR she did not want to participate.
All right, so you can participate at the prison, but it's not going to be at Safe-P. This is not Burger King. People do not get to have it their way. I ordered DDRF and you don't want to go there. So what's going to end up happening? You've been here before. The court is going to find you guilty. Now, how much prison time do y'all want to ask for?
Judge, the state additionally maybe requesting 5 years, Your Honor.
I would ask for two, Judge. She's willing to go to Safe-P. She wants to continue with drug court. We would ask that you reconsider and consider Safe-P. We understand that's going to be 9 months long with aftercare. She's willing to do that.
Okay, this is what the court is going to do. As previously stated, the court is finding violation of 56 true. The court will find you guilty. There should be no.
Just like that, the outcome shifts from second chance to prison time. Deferred adjudication was her opportunity to avoid conviction. But once violated, the full weight of the original charge comes crashing down.
Contact with Monica Tobias. Court is going to find you guilty. Court is going to sentence you to 8 years in the prison. Court will give you credit for any time served. The record. So, Ms. De La Rosa, when you're sent to certain programs, I'm not just doing it because, hey, let's just do this for no reason whatsoever. There was a reason you were sent to that program. You do not get to write your own programs. If you could write your own program and be successful at it, you wouldn't be in court. All right, good luck to you. Did you understand you're charged with the offense of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon? That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yeah.
According to the plea, punishment is be assessed at 7 years in the prison. Then to the offense is charged. How do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Your Honor, in the interest of justice, we would ask that the court consider moving forward with sentencing today. Ms. Rios is interested in beginning the process of putting this whole matter behind it.
All right. The court, Ms. Rios has some concerns or questions. Right. Do you have some type of mental diagnosis in your past? What's going on with you?
Yes. Right now I'm on Zyprexa.
For what?
for like anxiety and schizophrenia.
Okay. All right. When you're released from prison, do you have a case manager or someone who can help you stay on your medications?
Yes.
All right. All right. I'm going to follow your agreement. I'm going to find you guilty. There's an affirmative finding of deadly weapon, sentence you to 7 years in the prison. I'll give you credit for any time served. All right. We can go off the record. You're going to have to make sure you stay on your medications, because if you come back to another felony court, depending on the nature of the offense, your minimum sentence is going to be 25 years. You understand?
Yeah.
All right. Good.